Mars Mahadasha. So, what is Mars exactly in your chart, in your birth chart? Mars is your energy, Mars is your blood, Mars is your muscle power, and Mars is your anger and aggression. Whenever there is a Mahadasha of Mars going on, you can feel a sudden rush in your blood, restlessness, urges, and want to do things right now. Or maybe you notice your temper is little shorter than the usual, sparking argument that seems to come out of nowhere. If that sounds familiar, could be that your Mars is being dominated now and you are going through Mars Mahadasha. So Mars Mahadasha is actually the 7 year of cycle where Mars is more dominant in your chart. And it always depend upon the condition of your Mars. Is it strong? Is it weak? You will get the result according to those. Mars is a commander in chief, or you can say star athlete of the planet. It's all about energy, action, courage, ambition, aggression, and pure determination. When its Mahadasha comes in, it's like a cosmic switch is flipped. All the theme Mars represent, both good or bad, suddenly take center of your life, center stage of your life. Gone are the days of thinking about the goals. It's a time of doing it. You'll feel a powerful push to act complete and make things happen. Now there are two sides of Mars Mahadasha, good or bad. How this 7 year period plays out, it really depends upon where your Mars is in your birth chart. It can be a greatest coach or can be a toughest opponent. Let's start with the positive things. When Mars is well placed in your chart, its dasha can bring you incredible achievement. You might feel a surge of confidence and a motivation that shoot you through your career. This can be a period packed with the leadership opportunities, success, and in competitions and the guts to finally start the business you have been dreaming about. A lot of people buy property or real estate. By the way, Mars is Karak of or significator of real estate and property also. So, lots of people buy property or real estate during this time since Mars rules the land. Physically, you might notice your stamina is waking up. You have a new drive to get fit. It's a time when the ambition is sky high and you have got the energy to back it up. However, if Mars is in bad position, its challenging side can emerge. This is where Mars gets its fiery reputation. The same energy that fuels ambition can quickly morph into the aggression and impatience. You might find yourself in more argument, both at the work or at the home. The period can bring a higher risk of accident, injuries, or even surgeries, as Mars is a fiery planet that governs the sharp objects and inflammation. Financially, making impulsive move can lead to a loss, and emotionally, you might feel lost, frustrated, anger. There can be anger than usual. So, where will you feel this Martian energy to the most? Look at the house it occupies in your birth chart. For example, if Mars is in your 10th house of career, you'll feel this intense drive into your professional life, pushing hard for the promotion and renegotiation. If it's in the 4th house of home and family, you might be motivated to buy a house, but you could also find some conflict in the domestic front. It's also good to note that the 7 year period is broken down into the sub period of the Antardasha. Each of these are co-planet, co-ruled owner, which add its own flavor to the theme of Mars. For instance, Mars Rahu period can especially be violated and unpredictable, while the Mars Jupiter period might bring a good opportunities for the growth and wisdom. Understanding these smaller cycle is a key, but it always starts with the main energy of the Mars. What are the remedies and solutions then for the Mars? If you feel that the heat from the Mars, don't worry. There are some real world remedies for this. First of all, most powerful remedy is to honor Lord Hanuman. Chanting Hanuman Chalisa, especially on Tuesday and the day of Mars, is believed to be often protective and calm the aggressive energy. If it's giving you bad result, then try donating red color themed things like red lentils or red cloth on Tuesday. Third is to control the energy of Mars. If it's giving you very much aggression or anger, do go to gym, do some kind of exercise, or be in any sports which is intense on your body. It can calm the energy of Mars. There are gemstones, but that needed to be wear according to your astrologers. There is a gemstone Munga for this, which you can wear. So this was my analysis of Mars Mahadasha. Comment it out and tell me how your Mars Dasha has been. If you like this video, hit like button, subscribe to my channel, follow on me on other platforms, and if you want to learn astrology from me, you can easily reach out to me from with the WhatsApp. If you want private consultation, my WhatsApp number is given. So till next video, Jai Babedi, Jai Bhajan.